Hey everyone, what is going on? It is a Wreckfest Friday. We got Demolition Derby Bonanza. Multiple Demolition Derbies for you in Wreckfest. It's like one of the coolest things ever. So we're starting off with this car. It's a pretty sweet car. Like look at this arena. There's like spikes and there's deadfalls. There's all kinds of crazy stuff on this. So what you want to do in Wreckfest is you want to avoid the middle, first of all, because you're going to get absolutely smashed in the middle of the arena. You know, some cars like try to back into stuff. I'm not planning to play that. Dude, I'm going to destroy my car. I'm going full throttle. That's how we roll. And so we're just going to go right after it. Dude, I just got absolutely thrashed right there in the middle. Like, man, I'm down to 79 power already, but you know what? I don't care. I'm going to take out some cars. Oh, I just missed. Oh, we got to back up. We got to back up. Check out the car. Check it out. It's the hood's thrashed. The trunk is thrashed. The car's beat up. But dude, nice head on. Oh, I'm just absolutely thrashing these cars. I don't care. I already wrecked one. We're down to 19 appointments. Ooh, boom. Totally took advantage of that car just being hammered. There's another car. Took advantage of that one. I am just taking numbers right now. I've wrecked one. We're down to 15 cars in the competition. Dude! Oh man, I damaged my front left wheel. That's not good. It's gonna make steering a little harder. Just barely got that car. Going after it again. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of the middle. Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Boom! That was a good one. Alright, we've wrecked 3 cars now. I'm down to 39 power. So I gotta be super strategic. We're down to 8 opponents. 33 power now. Oh, I got someone in my sights. I got someone in my sights. Oh no, I just missed! No! There we go. I just wrecked myself. Does that count as a 4 if I wreck myself? That was pretty crazy. Alright, so, oh yeah. We did the car, now we're doing the tractor. We're doing the tractor. Alright, with the tractor, yes, you are strong, you can take on a lot of damage, and you absolutely inflict the pain to other cars. Like right there, did you see that? See that bingo car? I just rolled it over and I only lost 4 power. But the problem is one, look at the wheels on this tractor. It's easy to flip over. 2, it's really hard to drive and it's hard to navigate. So yeah. And I'm just in here in the middle, just taking a hit, but you know what? Still have 92 power. If that was a car, it'd be less. So this game's an oldie, it's a couple years old, but man, it is so fun. Like, it is such a cool game. Oh, dude, just totally throttled that car. Absolutely throttled that car. It is an amazing game. I think, you know, this is BLB Gamer. I think on our main channel, we're gonna have to do a Wreckfest mystery reel with the family. Gross sodas, whatever other weird stuff, pickle juice shots, bugs, whatever. I think we have to do a Wheel of Pain mystery wheel gaming challenge. And I think it's going to be who can last the longest in the Demolition Derby is the best way to do it. And if you make it all the way to the end, who wrecks the most cars. And losers gotta spin the wheel. Oh yeah. Loser's gonna spin the wheel. That's how we do it. Dude, seriously, green car? Like, what are you trying to do? What do you think you're gonna accomplish? Like, bro, I still got 87 power. You're hitting me. It ain't doing the thing. You're probably doing more damage to yourself. You're doing more damage to yourself. I mean, I'm right on top of 2 cars. Like, yeah, we gotta reset it. We got to reset it. We gotta get out of there. Like, that's the thing with the tractor. Dude, you're not trying to take me head on. You're absolutely not going to try to take me head on because I will destroy you. So I got 1 wrecked right now. We want to wreck more. So we're going after it. We're just trying to damage every car. If you're in my path, I'm going to wreck you, yo. If you're in my path, I'm going to wreck you. All right. We helped wreck another opponent, but we didn't get... What am I doing? Like, seriously. What's going on? What's going on with that drive? Oh, I got that car. Oh man, that was on the left half. That wasn't even that good. Here goes the graveyard in the middle. You can tell they're damaged and they're done is when they're on fire and they don't have an arrow on top of them. If they have an arrow on top of them and you can still see an energy bar, they're still there. So we're down to 3. Oh, I got you. My sights blue. I got you in my sights. Oh, I just missed. Oh, yellow. That's what's up. Oh man. Broken car, get off me. Let me back up. Let me get these. Ooh, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. There goes yellow car. Yellow car. Yellow car. Uh-oh. It's struggling. It's struggling. Boom! We just took it out. We just took it out. Alright. We are down to 2 opponents. I saw that yellow car struggling. You don't want to mess with the tractor, yo. You do not want to mess with the tractor. So this one is, this is fun. This is a lot of fun. All right, we gotta take out this car. We just got the blue car left. I mean, you can see. I mean, this is not even fair. I got 74 power still. This is not even fair. But that car is quick, and I gotta chase it down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, I just missed. Oh no, I'm gonna flip over. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. Didn't quite get it. I thought for sure that car was done. Oh, you coming in after me, dude? Bro, you seriously coming after me? You're coming after me, the tractor? Alright. You want some of this? I will give you all you can handle. Where are you? There you are. There you are. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're trying to get out of there. You're trying to get out of there. That was strategic. That was very strategic. But you know what? I'm going to back up. I'm going to find you. I see you. I got to turn. Oh yeah, you're coming right after me. Oh no! I just took myself out. But here we go. Here we go, Blue. You keep on backing up. You're just like wrecking yourself, bro. Come on, bruh. Let's do this. There you are. I'm backing up. Getting some momentum. Getting some momentum. Boom! There we go. We finished. You want to choose the tractor. Not as fun because you don't get the speed, but it was still cool. Alright, I gotta do the mall one more time. So we're gonna wrap up this video with the mall. Check out the station wagon. This is gonna be pretty dope. Alright. Go down in the middle. Oh, I missed. I was trying to clip someone. Oh no! Oh no. Bro, I just took out 15 on myself without even wrecking the car. That was not cool. Alright, here we go. Boom! Boom! Yeah, that's what's up! That's what's up! Oh man, I can't believe our video's almost done. What is gonna happen? Do I win the Demolition Derby? How many cars do I take out? We will see. But you know what? I'm going full throttle. That's the motto. Because I'm gonna just destroy, destroy, destroy. I don't care if it's me being destroyed or me destroying someone. I'm just going after everyone. I'm just going right in the middle, full speed, taking cars out. Alright, well, we don't want to take ourselves out, so we're going to go back in the middle. Dude, check out that air. Whoa! Dude, that was dope. That was dope. I mean, it was not great for my power, but great for the video. Dude, I just got sandwiched again. I just got sandwiched to Seth. Alright. We gotta take out one before we get taken out. We got 27 power. It's been great hanging out with you on this Wreckfest Friday Demolition Derby Bonanza, which has been dope. Gotta love the Demolition Derbies. Wreckfest Friday. This is how we roll on BLB Gamer. Giving you a little variety. We do a lot of monster trucks, trying to mix it up a little bit. Just mix it up. Oh no! There we go, folks. I just took myself out. See y'all next time. Peace!